Biggest crypto gainers today on DEXTools, PARROT, ANUBIS, SOJU. Bitcoin exchange inflows have reached one-month highs according to data from Glassnode, signaling increasing selling pressure as the price of Bitcoin has fallen below $26,000. The one-day moving average of Bitcoin's exchange net flow reached $9.75 million on August 16, marking the highest level seen in the past month. Glassnode also reported that the amount of Bitcoin sent to exchanges recently hit a 4-month high of approximately 370 BTC. Despite Bitcoin's price dipping under $26,000, some cryptocurrencies are making gains. What are the biggest crypto gainers today on DEXTools? The metric is designed to monitor the cumulative transfer of Bitcoin to and from wallets that belong to centralized exchanges. A high positive figure indicates growing reserves on exchanges, which typically precedes periods of selling activity. Bitcoin has fallen over 20% from highs of around $28,000 last week, erasing gains made following a court victory by Grayscale over the SEC regarding a Bitcoin spot ETF. The decline comes as the SEC postponed decisions on several Bitcoin ETF applications that were anticipated on Friday, September 1. According to analyst Kai Youngju of CryptoQuant, Bitcoin velocity recently hit a 3-year low, suggesting that long-term holders are inclined to sell at current levels. The average dormancy metric has also risen, meaning more older coins are being spent. Although the current price is below the 2021 all-time high, it's evident that long-term Bitcoin holders are capitalizing on the surge in changing hands, said Ju. The market psychology is atrophied, the turnover rate has fallen, and the old hands are changing hands. It seems to be a difficult condition for a strong rise right now. Bitcoin is currently trading around $25,800, down over 60% from its all-time high of nearly $69,000 in November 2021. Some analysts say further declines may occur if inflows to exchanges remain elevated. With Bitcoin exchange flows indicating selling pressure, some traders may want to rotate into altcoins with stronger technicals. PARROT, ANUBIS, and SOJU are some of the biggest crypto gainers today on DEXTools, posting significant surges despite Bitcoin's lackluster price performance. PARROT takes flight, soaring 1,490, 71% will the meme coin resurge. PARROT has emerged as one of the top gainers today, posting a rise of 1,490, 71% as of writing. After achieving a noteworthy high with an almost 4,200% increase, the meme coin has weathered some selling pressure, which has brought its price down to the current level of 5,557 cents. As PARROT hovers around its earlier support zone, anticipation builds over a potential resurgence or an additional downturn. Looking at the 50-minute technical indicators for PARROT, the 20 EMA currently stands at 7,055 cents, while the 50 EMA is at 6,387 cents. Both these figures are above the current price, suggesting a bearish trend in the short term. The RSI currently stands at 40.82. Typically, an RSI below 30 indicates oversold conditions, while an RSI above 70 signals overbought conditions. The current RSI for PARROT sits in a neutral zone, suggesting a balance between buying and selling pressures. The immediate support level, as indicated by the Fibonacci retracement level of 0.236, sits at 5,466 cents. If the price dips below this level, it could signal a continuation of the bearish trend. On the upside, a horizontal resistance zone has been established between 6,045 cents and 6,388 cents. This zone coincides with the Fib 0.382 level at 5,988 cents and Fib 0.5 level at 6,428 cents respectively. If the price of PARROT can break through this resistance zone, it could trigger a bullish reversal, potentially leading to further gains. Traders are advised to exercise vigilance and observe how PARROT behaves at these critical support and resistance levels. Depending on whether it can maintain support or break through resistance, we could see a continuation of the current bearish trend or a potential bullish reversal. ANUBIS, bearish trend ahead. Key indicators suggest caution. Following yesterday's surge of nearly 1,300%, ANUBIS continues to chart an upward trajectory with an additional gain of 13% so far today. However, since reaching an intraday high of 1,839 cents, the cryptocurrency has seen a retracement to the current level of 1,330 cents and seems to be trading sideways in recent hours. This has led to speculation among traders and market analysts of a potential bearish trend emerging. The 50-minute technical indicators for ANUBIS show the 20 EMA at 1,386 cents, slightly above the current price, and the 50 EMA at 1,323 cents, just below the current price. The 100 EMA is further down at 10,774 cents, indicative of the cryptocurrency's previous lower trading range. This close trading of the 20 and 50 EMA might suggest a bearish crossover could be on the horizon, which would be a signal for traders to potentially brace for a downturn. The RSI is presently at 45.49. This is well within the neutral zone 3070, highlighting the market's current indecision. In this context, the RSI indicates a balanced market, not tilting heavily towards either the bulls or the bears. The immediate resistance for ANUBIS lies at the 50-minute 20 EMA of 1,386 cents. Following this, the next significant barrier for the bulls to overcome would be the horizontal resistance zone of 1,486 cents to 1,526 cents. This area could pose a challenge, as it would require a strong buying momentum to break through. On the flip side, immediate support can be found at the horizontal support levels of 1,281 cents to 1,336 cents. This range aligns closely with the 50-minute 50 EMA of 1,323 cents, which could act as a safety net if the price faces downward pressure. Despite the impressive gains in the last 2 days, the close proximity of the 20 and 50 EMAs combined with the current sideways trading pattern and neutral RSI point towards a potential bearish outlook for ANUBIS. Traders are advised to keep a close eye on these key technical indicators and prepare for a possible shift in market sentiment. SOJU, from 5,450% surge to consolidation. What's next? Today's DEXTools crypto trading narrative has been dominated by SOJU, which is witnessing a surge of 1,674. 24% so far today. At one point during the frenzied trading, it catapulted by a massive 5,450%, notching an intraday high of 9,1952 cents. Following this dramatic surge and a period of retracement, SOJU is now consolidating above a horizontal support zone that lies between 3,532 cents to 3,829 cents. The 5-minute chart offers insightful details into SOJU price action. The 20 EMA currently lies at 3,988 cents, slightly above the current price. Meanwhile, the 50 EMA stands at a slightly higher level of 4,485 cents. These EMAs are considered crucial indicators of short-term market sentiment, and their positioning suggests a mild bearish bias, given that the current price is below both these levels. However, traders should note that the relative strength index RSI, currently at 47.19, indicates a neutral market condition. This implies that the SOJU price has room to maneuver in either direction. The immediate resistance for SOJU lies at the 20 and 50 EMAs of 3,988 cents and 4,485 cents, respectively. A break above these EMAs could see the price test the next horizontal resistance zone between 4,665 cents and 5,073 cents. On the flip side, should SOJU price dip, the immediate support level to watch is the aforementioned horizontal zone between 3,532 cents and 3,829 cents. A successful hold at this level could provide a solid base for SOJU to stage another rally. Traders are advised to closely monitor SOJU price movements in relation to the EMAs and the RSI. A potential bullish scenario could be a break above the 20 and 50 period EMAs, which could pave the way for further upside. Conversely, a drop below the current support zone could signal a temporary pullback. Other cryptocurrencies to consider. For those engaged in cryptocurrency investments and looking to diversify their holdings, it might be advantageous to participate in pre-sales of promising new cryptocurrency ventures. This method allows investors to gain early access to tokens at significantly reduced prices compared to the proposed initial public offering price. Although it carries a certain level of risk, investing in pre-sales of projects that eventually prosper post-launch can yield significant profits. Numerous pre-sale tokens are supported by proficient founding teams and showcase pioneering ideas that could radically change the blockchain industry. Spotting these potential game-changing projects early on and obtaining tokens during the pre-sale phase offers considerable growth potential if the venture thrives post-launch. However, the risks are just as substantial. If the project teams fail to execute their strategies, pre-sale investors could face financial losses. Despite everything, the gains could be extraordinary if a pre-sale investment turns out successful. The market analysts at cryptonews.com utilize their sector expertise and experience to assess upcoming pre-sales and pinpoint notable opportunities based on the team's proficiency and the project's unique offering. After a rigorous evaluation, they have curated a list of pre-sale offerings that demonstrate immense potential due to the skill of their teams and the novelty of their ideas. For cryptocurrency investors who are willing to take on higher risk, participating in these carefully chosen pre-sales could potentially provide profitable investment opportunities in 2023 and beyond. New cryptocurrencies to buy in 2023. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital.